Hello children, today I will explain you that how can we create a brochure in Microsoft Word. Dear children, the very first step for that is we need to take a beautiful background color. For that I have clicked on the page layout and I am selecting the page color option, and if I want to take more than one color, so I need to click on this, and if I want some texture I can this, if I want some pattern like this, if I want to select some picture as for the background, so I need to click on this. I'm going to click on the gradient means the color combinations. If I want to take more than two colors, so I need to select this option for taking the two colors. This is color 1 and I have selected this particular color, and along with this, no, it is not looking good. If I'm taking this one and along with the green, if I'm taking this color or this one, it's quite better. So I'm selecting the, suppose I have selected this color, and just go before going ahead, what I have done is I have downloaded all the necessary images in a folder which I'll be needing, right? So simultaneously I'm opening these two windows, and here first of all I would like to paste the image of the Gyan Mandir Public School. So basically I'm going to create a brochure on the summer camp activities which are being organized in Gyan Mandir School, right? So I am selecting this, and the very first thing before doing anything I need to use the text wrapping option. So I'm selecting in front of the text, so here it is, and what we can do is I am changing the shape of this. So I'm having so many shapes with it. So suppose I am selecting this shape, right? If I want, I can change the picture border as well, right? Suppose I am selecting this. So this is a picture border I have selected. So it's quite bigger, so I can reduce the size. I'm maximizing it, right? So this is the size, this is the picture of the school, and now I want to write some text over here. That is, I want to write the name of the school. For that I'm going to click on the insert and then here, and before that I think I should change the color, right? I should select the dark color, or I've selected the maroon color. Now click on the insert word art, and this is the option which we can select. So I'm deleting this from the word art and I'm writing here right, and clicking on OK. So this is the text which is available. Shape fill, if I want to change the color of the shape or fill the different color in the text, so we can do like this. So this is how we can do, and if I want to increase the height and width, we can do like this, right? Actually I think I should change the orientation as well, so that we can get the more space to write. So this is what we can do here. We can reduce the margin as well, that is the narrow margins. So we can place, and we'll get more space to do the designing part, right? So here it is. If I'm selecting this, click on the text wrapping and in front of the text, so you can place it anywhere you want, right? Before using this text wrapping option, it would create problem for you to place it at a particular place. Now I want to add the monogram of the school, right? So for that, adding the monogram, I have already downloaded it and now I'm placing it here. As you can see, the size is quite bigger, so I'm reducing the size and it can be placed. Again, for each and every image you need to use the text wrapping option. So in front of the text, so it will be there and it can be adjusted. So this is the monogram I have pasted. Now I want to write the summer camp activities. For I am going to click on the insert, use the wrap text option, and if I'm using this word art, or I'm using this one, suppose I want to write the summer camp, so click on OK. So summer camp is here. Again you need to use a text wrapping, otherwise it will not move from its original place. So in front of the text only, then you can move it anywhere you want. You can increase the size, right? You can change the positions here. This is a summer camp. A summer camp it is, right? And suppose you want to add some attractive shape over here. For that I need to click on insert, and then I have to select this shape, and suppose I'm selecting this one, and the color combination should be prominent if I want, or the green will not work actually. So you can take the color of your choice, right? No, I don't want any color from here. Actually, I think I should fill the shape color of my own, right? It's quite better. And the shape outline should be red. And shape outline, the width of the outline can also be increased. Now it's looking good. So I want to add some text. Now you need to right click over here and add text. So limited seats available, right? So you can write text like this. Select the text, click on home, increase the font size, and yes, decrease the font size now, because, and you can change the font color as well by selecting. Suppose you want this blue, you can make it bold, and for that you may need to increase the size of the shape. Yeah, limit seats available. Hurry. Okay, so this is a summer camp, and we can add some more shapes over here. For that, if I want to add some smiley, right? So shape fill can be any beautiful color. Right? And one more shape I can use over here. So that is shape fill can be right click, add some text. If I want to write here, hurry up, increase the font size, right? If you want to change the font color, you can, and the black is okay. Send enter. Yeah, we can make it bold, right? So this is how we can design. And along with this, what else we can do is, suppose I have here I have downloaded few pictures which are related to the summer camp activities. So you need to add those activities in such a manner it looks attractive. So I'm going to click on the insert, then I'm selecting the table. So here not there, My cursor should be at such a place. So I need to click on enter and I have to drag everything there. Once it will do like this and once it will come down, no issues will be there. We have to drag everything at the original position. So drag it here, smiley as well. Okay, now my cursor is here. Now I can draw the table very easily. I'm taking 3 columns. So by putting the enter, the space can be created, more space can be created, right? So here I'm going to insert the shape, that is this one. By clicking on this shape, when you get this yellow dot, it means you can change the pointer as well, like this. As you can see, earlier it was here, now I have changed its position from left to right. You can also write, okay? So by selecting this shape fill, you can fill the shape color, or you can fill this is how you can do. And start writing the color, start writing the text, that is activities available at summer camp. Okay, so you need to write like this. Now I'm going to add the images. Suppose this is the image of the dancing. I am going to add this dancing image over here. My cursor should blink at a place where I need to add. So I'm dragging and dropping. As you can see, the size is very large. So I can reduce the size. I can reduce the size like this. Okay. It will automatically go up. I need to reduce the border as well. We can reduce this for this also. Okay, so this is the image. Again, I need to click on this and then I have to format and click on the text wrapping in front of the text. Unless and until you will not do this, it will create a problem, right? So here we can format the, we need to select and click on the format and change the shape. The way you like. Suppose I'm selecting this one and I want to write, so I can draw dancing, dance activities or dancing. So selecting this, click on home, center align, increasing the font size, increasing the style and selecting the option. Okay, so this is not prominent, so I think blue color would be quite better. So more activities are also there. So I have clicked and a painting, I have added this painting. So this time also you need to adjust the image, change the size of the image. Okay, and first of all click on the format, text wrapping in front of the text, and you can change the design, right? Here also you need to use the enter and then you can drag it upward, right? So this is how you can do. And if you want to write in front of this, as you can see that the cursor is blinking, and you can write here painting. Let's write all the activities in capital letter. This is painting. What we can do is select the same color. This is a blue one. Okay, so you have to select this Algerian. So this is the painting. Now add more activities, that is singing. Drop it here. So this is, I need to crop the image, so you need to click on the format, cropping. So because the shuttlecock is visible, now it is not visible. Now I can reduce the size and it will be adjusted at the place where we want it to adjust. So in the same way we can write here singing activity. So we need to select and click on blue color, select the Algerian and increase the font size. This is how we can do. Let it be nearby, right? So if we increase the size, automatically it will be adjusted. So this is how we can do. Okay, so singing, dancing, all these activities are available, and here we can give the information about the people who is going to help or who is going to register the students for this, right? So registration, we can write that registration can be done. For that I can use a shape. So let it be white only, because no white is nowhere. So add text, registration, right? So I need to write this. I think we should write contact for registration, right? Contact for registration. This is how we can write, and we can adjust the text in the center by clicking on the home tab. It can be adjusted in the center, and now we have to click on use the enter. Again I need to drop or drag this shape upward. Now my cursor is blinking here. I think I should use a black color so that it remains prominent. And if I want to give the information contact for registration, and you need to click on insert and click on the symbol. Now more symbol options. So make sure that you are using the Wingdings, right? On the Wingdings there are so many options. So click on the Wingdings, and there this phone or this phone icon is available. Either you can this click on insert and close. So it is here. Actually the size is very small. So what you can do is you can select this particular icon only, click on home and increase the size as much as you want, and again click on the select and then design. If you want to click on design or shading or what, you can do, but let it be like this only. And here you can write the number. Suppose this is the number, whatever the number we want to specify, we can specify over here. And now press enter key. If I want to write the email address, then for the email address this symbol is here, but I want to show you here only. This is again in the Wingdings. So click on this mail and close. It is here. Now you can write this, that is Gyan Mandir. Write in small fonts. So the email ID, this email ID can be written over here. Okay, this email ID can be written over here, and here the website address can also be written, right? So I think the name of the person should be there. So the person whom we can contact is, it should come here. Suppose I want to write here Miss Harshita Sharma. Okay, so this is how, this is a person whom we can contact, right? So we can select the name of the teacher and click on home, increase the size, make it bold so that it remains prominent, right? So I am showing you the uh, brochure. How will it look like? Okay, so this is how it will look like. So this is how you have to make a brochure, very simple brochure. Okay children, so that's all for today. Thank you.